So you're thinking of moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, Southern Highlands? But you kind of want to know the good and the bad, the pros and the cons, what to look out for, maybe what you should avoid whenever you're making that move to Southern Highlands. Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video, and we're going to get after it right now. If you are new to this channel and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad about living in Las Vegas and the surrounding areas like Southern Highlands, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the very first to know about the current market here in Las Vegas. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and the team and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Las Vegas. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. As a real estate professional here, it doesn't matter whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Vegas. So here we are talking about the pros and the cons, the good and the bad about living and moving to Southern Highlands. Southern Highlands population is now 24,000 people and is continuing to see new growth constantly, while there's new homes being built every single day. The community started construction in the early 2000s and has since expanded to over 2,300 acres, nestled in the southwest foothills of Las Vegas in Enterprise, just west of the 15 freeway off of Southern Highlands Parkway. So let's jump into our first pro, which is a luxury resort setting and lifestyle. You know, the Southern Highlands Golf Club specifically is one of the premier affluent master plan communities, not only in the Las Vegas Valley, but in the entire country. Now, it has also been recognized among the top 15 best golf communities in the nation by Golf Week. The tree-lined streets and quiet neighborhoods, along with the pristine golf course, luxurious clubhouse, tennis courts, world-class spa, and fitness center provide an unparalleled lifestyle. There are close to 40 other smaller communities within Southern Highlands, many of which are gated to provide an additional layer of security and exclusion. You know, these communities have lush vegetation, gorgeous parks, walking trails, lakes, open green space, and much, much more. You know, living here in Southern Highlands provides an incredible sense of community with a small town feel for families and couples, with something for absolutely everyone. Our second pro is convenient, accessible location. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this community is located just west of the 15 freeway and is accessible off of 3 different exits. You've got Cactus, Star, and Southern Highlands Parkway. With quick and easy accessibility to the 15 freeway, it provides residents with a convenient route to many parts of the Las Vegas Valley. As you take the 15 north and hit the 215 Beltway east or west within a few minutes, or you can continue north on the 15 to the Strip, downtown Las Vegas, or the north part of town. Henderson is also right on the other side of the 15 freeway off of St. Rose Parkway, which turns into Southern Highlands Parkway. So again, you're very, very close to Henderson as well. If you move from here, from other major metropolitan cities across the country, you are going to find this type of accessibility to be very favorable, while gaining precious time back in your day by not having a long commute to work or other hotspots. Southern Highlands is only 15 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip and Reed International Airport. In addition, Southern Highlands Marketplace and Fire Station Plaza gives residents over 200,000 square feet of commercial space, including a grocery store, drugstore, hair salon, and dry cleaner, and restaurants right within the community. So you don't have to travel more than 5 minutes to find your everyday conveniences. Now, our next pro is newer residential developments. Since residential portion of the Southern Highlands is only 20 years old, it really provides residents with the newer developments to live in, while the HOA does a great job in keeping the community in immaculate condition. You don't have to drive down the street and run into older pockets of rundown homes or dead vegetation. There's a variety of housing options to choose from, including townhomes, a wide range of sizes of single family homes, all the way up to custom estates. Home prices range from the upper high 300,000s, right about 390,000, all the way up to $10 million. That's a large gap with price points for almost any budget. Now, the original homes were designed with more of a Tuscan Mediterranean vibe that fits with the look and feel of the community. However, that has since transitioned to a more modern homes, especially in the luxury custom home space. If you desire new or newer homes, Southern Highlands may be a great fit for you. Our next pro is recreational amenities. When living in Southern Highlands, you have access to ample community parks, expansive outdoor areas and greenbelts, various sports courts, fields, recreational facilities, and the Paseo walking, biking, and hiking trails. Throughout the community, there are 7 unique parks and 2 dog parks for your furry family members. We can't forget about them. You know, the local parks include Olympia Sports Park, which is the largest park here in Southern Highlands. You've got Inzalaco Park, you've got Goette Family Park, Jimmy Pettyjohn Jr. Park, Stonewater Park, Somerset Hills Park, and Rose Park. In addition, nature lovers will appreciate nearby places like Petroglyph Canyon Trails, Black Mountain Trails, and Red Rock National Conservation Area, all within a 15-minute drive here in Southern Highlands. Aside from the private 18-hole Southern Highlands Golf Club that the community is famous for, golfers will have the proximity to some other award-winning golf courses in Las Vegas and surrounding Henderson that include Anthem Country Club, Rio Seco Golf Club, and Rhodes Ranch Golf Club. If you or your family love the outdoors, there literally is no shortage of things to do here in Southern Highlands. Our next pro is community events. The HOA believes that playing is an important part of life, so the community hosts multiple events throughout the year that provide an opportunity to get out, have fun, and socialize with your neighbors. Annual events such as the Memorial Day celebration with fireworks, movies in the park, a fall festival, and of course the holiday tree lighting are the main events of each and every year. New events are always popping up as well. You know, these activities and events really provide residents with a wonderful sense of community, like I've mentioned before, and why thousands wouldn't trade living here for anywhere else. Let's shift gears and talk about the cons of Southern Highlands. Yes, there's actually a couple of them. And the first one is higher than average home prices. Southern Highlands possesses strong real estate values as evident by the pros we just discussed. However, this comes with a cost in the form of higher priced homes. The current median sales price is $659,000, whereas the median sales price of Las Vegas is $429,000. Due to the increased housing demands in Southern Highlands, the prices of homes are higher than in other suburbs around the Las Vegas Valley. The old saying in real estate goes, location, 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 and it's a big reason why demand is so high. The location is absolutely outstanding. You may have to pay a higher price point to live in this community, but the benefits are absolutely abundant. When it comes to homes holding their value, this community is right up there at the top. Our next con is high HOA fees. Now, there are multiple HOA fees within Southern Highlands. The Master Association HOA is $62 per month, no matter where within the community you live. Then, depending on what subdivision you live in, there's a second HOA fee ranging anywhere from $100 to $600 monthly. These are some of the highest HOA fees in the Las Vegas Valley. However, these HOAs help preserve and maintain the community's exclusiveness and upkeep. Yes, living in an HOA community will restrict what you can and can't do at your home, but you have the assurance your community will always be held to high standards and never be run down. In addition, the added security layers with either a gate or guard gated community is another perk of living in an HOA community. So the fees may be pricey, but you do get your money's worth. Our next con is the weather. Now, make no mistake about it, it is hot here in the summer in Southern Highlands. The heat usually cranks up in late May, early June, and will last through most of September. We have a dry heat with little to no humidity, so that's a plus if you're looking for a silver lining, if you can find one. Now, I don't know how all of you in the Midwest, the East, and the South do it with the upper 90% to 100% humidity all summer long. You don't have to worry about that here. Now, if you purchase a home that does not have a pool, you need to take advantage of a community pool if offered, and the water parks to help beat the summer heat. Drinking lots of water is also very, very important. Living in the high desert does bring cooler temperatures in the wintertime that can dip below freezing, and it's not completely uncommon to see a snow flurry or two every so often. But overall, we experience 300 plus days of sunshine here in the Las Vegas Valley. Our next con is limited dining out options. Now, while Southern Highlands does have 2 shopping centers located within the community that I mentioned about earlier in this video, the restaurant options within those centers are really limited. If you prefer larger chain or specialty restaurants, you're gonna need to visit the surrounding communities or the Las Vegas Strip to do so. And as I mentioned earlier, with the outstanding accessibility to these other communities, you won't have to drive more than 15 minutes or so to reach some great desired restaurants. The Las Vegas Valley is known for some absolutely incredible restaurants of all ethnicities. Well, I think this gives you a good overview of the pros and the cons of living in Southern Highlands. When it comes to living in the Las Vegas Valley, this community has many unique benefits and features, especially for luxury living. If this community interests you, I am confident we'll be able to find you the perfect home as you relocate to Las Vegas. I hope you found this video beneficial. My goal in this and other videos is to provide you with a single resource of information on moving to Las Vegas and the surrounding areas, so you don't have to spend countless hours searching the internet and other resources. So please like and share this video. Please subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even book a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We are passionate about helping people just like you make a smooth and stress-free move to Southern Highlands. So until next time, we hope to see you around town soon.